Hello friend, I had taken a quiz on infix to postfix form conversion. Now today we are going to discuss about the quiz. In that quiz I give you a 10 example. So friend, this example you had seen and you had seen and solved this quiz, but our form is online, so our quiz is in the form of online, so the computer can understand only binary language, you know that. So the space in between two operator or in between two operand, he will take the he will understand, it will be the error. So if your answer is correct but you have give some spaces in that expression, then it will show the wrong result. So now I will discuss these all example in the quiz, that how to convert infix to postfix form are covered in this lecture. So friend, your first example is a plus b star c plus d slash e plus f star g minus h. So now here we solve the bracket first. So when we solve this expression, we go from left to right associativity. Now here I already solved these all example. Now in today's lecture I will explain this all example. So here ab plus is after the operand. Now here star c plus d slash into the bracket e plus f star g bracket complete minus h. Now here we convert the next expression, that is here fg star. Now ab plus c star c plus d slash e plus fg star. This star goes to here. Now minus h. Now next one, this all brackets is solved first. Now here then plus sign. So now we convert this expression into the next step. E f g star, this term is as it is, and plus is here. Now plus will be here and minus h. Now this is the this bracket will be solved. Now again we go from left to right. Now here we convert ab plus, this is the one term. Now star c, then c star go to here. Now c star, this is the one term. Now plus d slash e f g star plus minus h. Now in the next step ab plus c star plus, here slash will be converted d slash e f g star plus. Now d e f g star plus slash will be go here after the plus sign. Now this is the one term and this is the another term and this is the remaining term. Now we convert, again we go from left to right associativity. Now ab plus c star d e f g star plus slash, and this plus goes here, plus sign minus h. Now this is the whole term, this term is the one term and this is the one term. Now here we again convert this step into the next step. ab plus c star d e f g star plus slash plus h, and here is the minus sign. this minus sign will goes after the h, and this is the conversion of the infix to postfix of the first example. Now in the second example, here the logical ANDing and logical OR is used. So here when we solve this expression, we have to solve first brackets. Now here in the second example, A logical AND B is in the bracket. Now this bracket will be solved first, then A, B and logical AND, or logical OR C logical OR not E greater than F. Now next this bracket will be solved. So now we write this expression as it is, and here this bracket, after solving this bracket, the expression will be EF and greater sign. Now here next, in the next, A B logical and here this will be converted C or logical or not EF greater than. Now in the next term, here not is applying, so this not is goes into that position. Now the expression look like that: A B logical AND C logical OR EF greater than not. Now this term and this term, these are the two terms, and in between these two terms logical OR will be there. Now this will be shifted after these two operands or string. A B logical AND C logical OR EF greater than not and logical OR. This is the output of the second example. Now look at the third example. Now the third example is A plus into the bracket, two brackets, B minus C star D bracket closing bracket minus slash F closing bracket plus F minus G slash H. Now how to convert this expression into the postfix form? Here we remain that we have to remember that we have to solve first brackets. Now here A plus, here is the bracket, B minus CD star. This star multiplication have the highest priority than the minus sign. Then this expression will be evaluated first CD star slash E. This bracket is closed plus F minus G slash H. Now here A plus, here this one will be solved first, B C D star minus slash E plus F minus G slash H. Now here into the bracket it will be solved. Now the next step is the A plus B C D star minus E slash plus F minus G slash H. Now next is A B C D star minus E slash plus F minus G slash H. Now next step is A B C D star minus E slash plus F minus G H slash. This G H slash has the highest priority. Now this will be converted into the postfix form. And last one is the A B C D star minus E slash plus F plus G H slash, and this minus sign will be goes here. This is the example. This is the solution of the third example. Now next is the fourth example. In the fourth example, see that the fourth example is A minus B minus C star D plus E slash F minus G minus H. Now here the bracket will be solved first. Now here E slash F, there are three operator, plus, slash, and division and minus. So plus and division, plus and minus has the same priority, but the division has highest priority than that of these two operator, and these are in the brackets. Now this will be solved first. Now E F slash, now D plus E F slash minus G. Now plus and minus has the same priority, so we go from left to right. Now here D E F slash plus minus G. Now this will be converted again into the postfix form. It will look like that, D E F slash plus G minus. So this bracket will be solved, and we consider this all as a one string. Now one operator, operand. Now here next one is the C star, this term. Now we convert that into the postfix form, C D E F slash plus G minus star. Now we go from left to right here. So A minus B, now we convert it into the postfix form, AB minus C D E F slash plus G minus star minus H. Now we convert this into the postfix form. This minus sign will be go after this two operand, AB minus C D E F slash plus G minus star minus, and now minus H will be converted into H minus, and this is the output of the fourth example. Now next is the fifth example. So here in the fifth example, see that what is the fifth example, A plus B in the bracket minus C star D slash into the bracket E minus F slash G. Now we convert this into the postfix form. Now here we solve first bracket. Now AB plus minus C star D slash E minus F minus G, we write as it is. Now next one we solve this, we convert this. Now AB plus minus C star D slash E minus FG slash. Now next one we solve this bracket. Now EFG slash minus, so this one is solved. Now next C star D, this term will be converted into the postfix form, CD star slash EFG slash minus. Now we solve this term and this term, because division has highest priority than minus sign. So CD star EFG slash minus slash. Now next is the AB plus CD star EFG slash minus. This is the output of the fifth example. Now next one is the look like that sixth example. Here A star B C plus D plus E minus F star into the bracket G slash H, and three brackets are closed. So this is also same as the above we had solved. Now you seen in the video, this is the simple example that the output will be, output of that expression is AB star C slash DE plus FGH slash star minus plus. So this is the output of the sixth expression. So you solve yourself. I will give you step-by-step solution of this example. Now look at the seventh example. Here in the seventh example, AB minus into the bracket C plus D slash E caret F bracket minus G bracket H. So here AB means is the one term, A star B. This is the one term. Here star is not given, then we are consider as a one term. Now when we solve this expression, we solve this term first. the caret, that means exponential have the highest priority than the other. So we convert this expression and we got the output a b c d e f caret slash plus minus g minus h. So this is the solution of this 7th example. Now we see the 8th example. So it will be solved again. Here the what is the output? H G F E caret D slash C plus minus B A minus. Now the 9th and 10th example will be solved again here. So I will attach this example photo to the classroom, and I also posted this video to the classroom. You see that example and understand that example. Thank you, friend.